In this video, I'm going to talk about the new Builderall 3.0 competition. What is up everybody, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, hit that like button, hit the subscribe and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And today I want to talk about the new Builderall 3.0 launch competition. And if you haven't heard already, Builderall are giving away over $50,000 in cash prizes over the next 5 months. So the day this video is being released, it's actually going to be July 30th. So the winners of the competition for July 30th is going to be announced today. So as you can see, they're giving away $10,000 each month, plus other competitions are running as well. So make sure you start sharing, start selling Builderall and get involved in this competition. Lots of people in the past competitions have piggybacked off Builderall to become great names in affiliate marketing, great names in the online space because of the competition that Builderall has provided. So if you can get on one of these leaderboards, you're going to get massive traction, you're going to get massive authority within the community, within the affiliate marketing world in general. So make sure you start selling Builderall, start sharing Builderall with people and start building a name for yourself. So as this is being released, the August competition is just going to start and it gets reset every month. So every month everyone starts with 0 points. So you have 4 more opportunities to top these leaderboards, bag that $5,000 top prize and start building some authority for yourself. So as you can see, first place gets $5,000, second place gets $1,000, third $500, fourth $400, fifth $300, and then from 6th to 14th place $200. And the top recruiter who brings in the most affiliates during the month gets $1,000 as well. So you have another 4 opportunities to be able to top these leaderboards, build some brand authority and start making some good money. So make sure over the next few months you start making your videos, you start sharing on Facebook, you start making some content videos about what you can do with Builderall and start sharing it with people, because Builderall provides so much opportunity and has so much value that you just need to share it with people and show people the value, and you can sell it. It's not a problem. So make sure you start selling and top some of these leaderboards, because any one of you has the opportunity to do that right now. And there's some extra prizes that you can win as well. It's not just the monthly competitions. So if you can keep 500 personal clients for 3 months, you can win an extra $10,000. Is that crazy? $10,000 extra for keeping 500 personal clients for 3 months. It's absolutely insane. That's a massive bonus and anyone can win that. So if you can fight towards that, you can earn an extra $10,000. And then if we come down even further, we can see some more of the competitions which are going to be running for another 4 months. And that's how many likes you get on your YouTube videos. So you can put out a YouTube review for Builderall with the most likes, a comparison with other tools with the most likes, live training with the most likes, sales video with the most likes, the top 10 reasons why you love Builderall with the most likes, top 5 ways to make money with the Builderall tools with the most likes, a video explaining the compensation plan without any promise or earning claims with the most likes, description and explanation of the Builderall canvas with the most likes, building a simple funnel on Canvas with the most likes, and a video talking about the checkout system with affiliates and tiers with the most likes. If you can get the most likes on your video, minimum of 1K within this launch period, you can earn $1,000 for each one of these videos with the most likes. So there's tons and tons of opportunity for creating something which you can win extra prizes on. There's loads of competitions going on over the next 4 months, and you have an opportunity each month to win these competitions. You have an opportunity to create the videos and get some extra prizes on November the 30th. And if you appear on any one of these leaderboards, whether it be for the videos, whether it be for the extra prizes, whether it be for the main competition, you're going to gain some authority. You're going to be recognized as a leader, you're going to be recognized as a top affiliate and gain some good ground, and then you can capitalize on that and keep growing your brand and getting better and better and bigger and bigger. And competitions, especially competitions with companies as big as Builderall and have as much authority and traction as Builderall do, you can really jumpstart your affiliate career. You can jumpstart your online digital marketing career by topping these affiliate boards and really skyrocketing yourself and branding yourself in a really, really good way. So I cannot recommend enough to push as hard as you can over the next few months to get on top of these leaderboards and really catapult yourself into the stratosphere. I'm going to be doing some videos, so I'm hoping to win some of these competitions, but anyone can win. It really is an opportunity of a lifetime to be put into some of these competitions. Like I said, in the previous competitions for the Builderall launches, some people have catapulted themselves into the stratosphere on the back of Builderall from the competitions that they've won. And you can do the exact same thing if you are to top these affiliate boards as well. So definitely share and sell as much as you can over the next 4 months. And I am looking forward to seeing you on top of these leaderboards and skyrocketing your digital marketing career with Builderall. So thanks for joining, guys. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit subscribe, hit like and the bell notification to be updated on any of my future videos. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you next time.